Introducing the Dual Fuel, your new pocket powerhouse. Because we've all been there, dead in the water when you need your tech the most. Dual Fuel is a portable battery charger for all of your devices, all inside a compact, flameless lighter. No matter where you are, it'll bring you back to life. With an inbuilt smart timer, the flameless coil cuts out when you've finished, stopping fire hazards before they can even begin. With a supercharged 1200 milliamp hour battery, you can charge through your day for multiple uses. At just 6 by 4 centimeters and weighing less than 90 grams, the Dual Fuel is a seamless addition to your everyday carry. With both regular USB and USB-C ports, you can keep all your portable devices fueled. Never worry about being stranded again with a constant lifeline to your smart tech. With the flameless coil that works at any angle, the search for lighter fluids and the pain of burns are over. Now you can breeze past those embarrassing last-minute fumbles and finish every night on a high. Dual Fuel. Take charge of your life.
I love to travel, and when I travel, I like to have my things organized and accessible. We are the creators of the luggage that was voted best carry-on bag by all the biggest names in travel. USA Today, Travel and Leisure, you name it. And now we're raising the bar even higher. What we have designed is the upgraded model of our enormously successful carry-on, which we have shipped to tens of thousands of fans across the globe. Meet Genius Pack Supercharged, a maximum capacity carry-on built with a unique charging capability with 2 external USB ports to recharge smartphones up to 4 times. Juice up your smartphone and tablet all at the same time. The Power Pack is fully removable and complies with airline standards. We designed the green cable as an all-in-one cable to recharge your iPhone, Android devices, and also recharge the luggage itself. It has not 4 but 8 wheels for a 360-degree super smooth glide designed to wheel effortlessly on multiple terrains. It's extremely light, just 6.8 pounds. The zipper pullers click into the integrated combination lock. Take my word, we did not cut corners on quality. The external shell is 100% polycarbonate, the stuff they use for bulletproof material. The telescopic handle is made of 100% aircraft-grade anodized aluminum, reinforced impact-resistant corners, scratch and stain-resistant, top and side easy grab handles. All of our units are rigorously tested. We put our luggage on treadmills for miles to guarantee the wheels last. We conduct jerk tests to ensure the bag can carry heavy loads. But what really makes this bag great is in the inside. There's category compartments for tech, socks, undergarments, and we even built an embedded checklist so you never forget your belts again. We built these compartments with a specialized stretch mesh. You'll be amazed on how much you can fit in here. There is a garment loop for hanging clothes. The rest of your clothing fit comfortably in the main cavity. These compression straps keep everything in place and minimizes wrinkling. As you wear your clothes, the left side becomes a secluded laundry compartment, so your dirty clothes never touch your clean clothes. From the day I launched Genius Pack in 2013, I listened closely to all of your feedback. We've shipped over 75,000 units to happy customers all around the globe. This product is a creation of numerous rounds of prototypes. Our skilled craftsmen are eagerly waiting to get these produced. We need your support to bring this product to life.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, have you by chance seen a silver carry-on luggage anywhere? I just had it a few seconds ago. I think someone took it.
Well, that's terrible news. Who would do such a thing?
Who knows?
Oh. Well, can you describe it for me? Maybe I can get security on this.
Sure. It's called a Sky Valet luggage. You can't miss it. It's got the logo right on top. It's got this wireless charger that pops out on the back. It charges your phone wirelessly. I was just using it.
Wow. Damn, that sounds amazing. I'm definitely making a note of that.
Yeah, it's world's first.
You know, as awesome as that is, I don't think security is going to be able to see that. Do you have a more visual description?
Right, yes. It has these jagged, wavy wheels called shark wheels. It allows the bag to cross over any kind of rough surface you can think of. Tactile pavement, dirt, floor casings, you name it.
That is cool. These are fishy wheels?
Shark
Wheels. Got it. That was my bad, sorry.
It also has this magnetic front pocket that pops out at the touch of a button. I use it to put my laptop in there or anything that I need easy access to.
Interesting. Continue. Go on.
It has USB charging ports on the top so that you can charge any other device that you might have.
And what else?
And it has these zippers that interconnect into the bag on the top that you can lock via the Sky Valet app.
That's great. Keep going.
And it's all powered by this portable battery, which you can then remove if it dies and you need to charge it. And I think that's it.
Wow. I have never heard of a more stealable bag. I mean, I would take this bag if I was into that kind of thing.
Thank you.
Yeah, if you could just take a seat around the corner, I've got everything that I need, and I'll get security tracking this right away.
Oh my God. How could I forget? It has GPS tracking. This thing can be located worldwide.
Oh, wow, that's awesome.
Yeah, it's this new feature that you can add, and this model has it. It kind of does.
Reliable, is it?
Oh, yes, very.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. That's strange.
What's that?
It says it's right in front of me.
Oh, that's broken. That's not working.
Is that my bag?
Oh, look at that. It is a luggage, and it is similar to your luggage.
It says Sky Valet on the top right there.
Okay, well, that's a snazzy logo. I don't know how this got here. It's quite a mystery to me.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. I'm just gonna hand this. There you go.
I'll have your job for this.
When I first started experiencing hearing loss, I felt disconnected from life. I didn't want to solve the problem with one of those ugly and expensive hearing aids. Thankfully, there's a stylish and affordable solution called Hearing. It's a hearing amplifier with all the modern technologies that make interacting with life much easier. I even bought one from my mom, who only has hearing loss in one ear, and loves the fact that each ear has its own volume control.
I love the magnetic neckband that doesn't fall off, too.
If you're tired of feeling disabled by your hearing loss and want to get back to enjoying life, then Hearing's the answer for you.
This is Moft, the lightest adhesive laptop stand around, tailored perfectly for mobile working. It's practically invisible, but still comforts your neck and shoulders anywhere you work. The Moft stand is as light as a pen and thin as a coin. Simply fold it when you need and unfold it when you're on the go. No need to carry around anything extra in your bag. With 2 elevation adjustments, Moft optimizes your sitting posture, reducing neck pain and soothing your wrist when typing. Take discomfort completely out of your work. The unique material and triangular structure makes it capable of holding up to 18 pounds. The removable plastic means it's detachable and reattachable to your computer, giving it zero chance to fall off and leaving no residue on the surface. Typing on Moft feels like using a metal stand, undisturbed, laser-focused on what you need to do. Adaptable to a wide variety of environments, fitting all types of MacBooks and colors. This is Moft, an invisible yet reliable stand for your ergonomic comfort. Moft.